Your project is going to have 9 cubes. Above, on, and below the horizon line, on the right, down the middle, and in the left. Seeing this cube drawn will help you be able to do the others, but since they will look different depending on their relationship with the horizon line and the vanishing point, I'm going to demonstrate a couple that students tend to find confusing. Remember, when we were looking at the box and our eye was right in front of it, lined up with it, all we could see is that one side. But we're going to draw this cube as if it's glass, remember, so we can see through it. So I'm going to show you how this is to be done. I already have my squares. I made sure that my horizontals and my verticals were as close to parallel as I could get. And it's the same principle, it's just going to look a little different. So I'm going to take the corner, all the corners of the square, and draw a spider line to the vanishing point. So it's the same thing I did before. It's just going to look a little different because now it's right in front of the vanishing point. So I'm drawing a spider line from every corner to the vanishing point. What you're going to do to make the back wall is just draw another square. Again, just like here, we could make the box really thin, or we could make it really far back, depending on what we wanted. There's different places you can draw this inside square. The important thing is that the corners of the square you're about to draw all need to line up with these lines here. It may seem confusing, but it's really simple, and it will make more sense when you erase certain lines. So I'm going to make sure, see right now how my ruler is, that wouldn't be parallel to this line. So I'm going to make sure that looks parallel, and then draw my line. Same thing here. Making sure that these lines meet on these diagonals. What we're going to do is on this center square here, we're just going to go ahead and erase the lines inside. Keep the vanishing point, but if you want to, you can erase the horizon line. And if you're having trouble really understanding this cube, if it's confusing to you, remember, an awesome tool is line variation. So once we thicken these lines to show what's in front, I think you'll be able to start seeing the cube if you're not already. Again, use your ruler every step of the way so your lines look beautiful. This is the front, and if it was glass, we're seeing the back wall as well.